Hi there, it's Katya, and this is the classroom where I work. And I'm going to show you real quick one thing. These are some classroom language phrases. And the first one says, I have a question. Then we have, I don't understand. Can you help me, please? Can I drink some water? Can I go to the toilet, please? You can replace it with, can I go out, please, for older students? Can I have a pen, please? You can use different words here. Can I have a pencil? Can I have an eraser, maybe? How do you spell something? How do you say something in English? And what does something mean? Here you use a Russian word. How do you say kniga in English, for example? And here you use English words. For example, what does worried mean? It's very good to have these phrases on your wall, and I can share with you. If you want to, I will send you the PDF, and you can just print and laminate them and encourage your students to say these phrases, and now I'll tell you why you have to do that. They are very good for children and also even for beginner adults and for teens as well, because people forget how to ask for a pen and how to ask how to spell the word. Once you have it on the wall, they will always have a chance to quickly look at these phrases and say that. As for the children, they might not be motivated to use them. If they say something in Russian, like they want some water, I encourage them, it's just 2 seconds. Please say that in English, and sure, go get some water. And you'll see that the most active students really start using those very quickly. And you'll have to encourage those who are not so quick with that, including adults, and they will start using that. Once again, of course, they don't have to say, can I go to the toilets when it comes to adults, but sometimes they say, how do I ask you for a pen? They say it in Russian, but I say, look at the wall. Take a look at the wall, and they smile and laugh. It's very important to use classroom language and to introduce them to also phrases that you say and make them remember those, the commands like open your book and match the words to the pictures or work in pairs. It's good if they know those because you want to maximize the foreign language, because that's what we're here for at the end of the day. And you know what, people, they might kind of insist and they might want to use their own language more, but you have to be very firm and you have to follow the same routine again and again. Like they ask you in Russian, you point at the wall and you say, yes, good, but please say that in English. And you will see that soon they start using these phrases, and it's paramount to use the phrases because at the beginner level where the children are for a long time, where the adults are, and sometimes there are teens with low levels as well, they don't have much command of a language to really like talk to you. You cannot talk to each other full scale. You know a couple of phrases and that's it. But if you use the same phrases over and over again, like can I, then it kind of sticks to you. Then to ask for something else, you will use them as well. Can I order a sandwich? Can I have a cup of coffee? That becomes a habit, like using these phrases, and that's important. What I'm trying to say is that these phrases are part of the daily routine, and you can choose not to say them and it will be your loss, or you can choose to say them and to encourage your students to say them. And this will allow, like, let's say this is 10% or 15% of the lesson, you asking them to do something and they asking you for something, for some help, for some permission if they're children. Why not do this in English? We have to really.